I know everybody knows that you can actually generate videos on Grok AI, but only few persons knows that you can actually generate longer videos with Grok AI. With this particular strategy, nobody talks about because they don't know about it. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to simply show you how Grok AI video generation work and how you can actually generate longer videos that can actually get monetized on YouTube, monetized on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all of that. Okay, just check out this particular video which I generated with this particular AI tool.
Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring, heart pounding. A ghostly whisper cuts through the mist. Return what was stolen. She spins around. No one's there. Her torch flickers, revealing glowing eyes watching from the darkness. A spirit wolf steps forward, its fur glimmering like moonlight. You took my arrow. I forged this myself. The wolf growls, and the ground trembles beneath her feet. The arrow in her hand glows blue, then rises on its own, speeding with wild magic. It shoots upward, tearing open a glowing rift in the clouds. Wind howls. The spirit wolf leaps into the light, and halfway through, his form begins to turn human. Merida fires another arrow and dives after him, tumbling through swirling colors of time. They crash onto a frozen battlefield. Two identical glowing arrows lie side by side in the snow. You're the one who stole it. From the future. Then how do we fix it? By aiming true this time. They raise their bows together, fire into the light, and the world flashes white.
And I believe you love what you see. You can actually generate that same type of video, even a longer video, with this strategy which I'm going to show you right here in this very video. So if you're ready, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. The first step is to simply get yourself a viral story that can actually grab attention. All right, and how do you get this? You can actually utilize ChatGPT. Just head over to your ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account. You're going to simply add your prompt right here. This is what I wrote. Please write an engaging short Disney Brave 3D story, not more than 60 seconds, which must start with a suspense, and there must be a new suspense hook after every 5 seconds. All right, there must be 2 characters only. All right, so this is what I wrote here. This is the main character, so you can actually use any character or any cartoon character of your choice. All right, just hit on it. Alright, so this is our story. You can see right here our story is now fully ready. Okay, remember this is just a test story, all right, and we want to add visual, we want to add audio to it. Okay, so I'm going to simply show you how to do that. This is our story and we need visuals for it. Okay, so for us to get visuals of each of these scenes, so you need to do right now is to simply tell ChatGPT to give you the image prompt for each scene. All right, so this is what I wrote here. Next, you need to provide the prompt for each scene, but make sure you connect every scene with the previous one for a smooth story flow. All right, so you need to do right now is simply add this particular prompt. When you add it, send it out, and this is going to simply generate the scene, all right, for the images. Okay, so let's wait for it. You can see this is scene 1. And I'm also going to simply show you how to get the consistent character on Grok AI. We have scene 1, we have scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, we have scene 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 scenes. All right, we have to simply go ahead and generate actual images. Okay, and we're going to simply be using Grok AI as well. Right, remember Grok AI is going to simply give us the image and also going to simply give us the video. All right, so we don't have to pay any tool. This is 100% free. This is scene 1 right here. You have to simply go ahead and select this 3D from here. Just copy it. All right, when you copy that, come back to this very section. This is Grok right here, and you have to simply go ahead and select the image. If your own is on video, select image right here, image tab, then you paste that particular prompt. Okay, so this prompt right now is going to simply give us our base image and a base character. Okay, so just hit on this send button, then allow it to load. Let's see what it's going to simply give us. Okay, so this is what we have here. We have a cool stuff right here. Okay, so all of these images are cool. I don't really know the one I have to pick as my base image because all of them are cool. All right, then pick the one you want. Let's play this one. If you click on this section, it's going to simply be turned to a video, right, for you. Okay, all right, so I'm going to simply turn this particular one right here into a video by clicking on this very section right here. You can see it is turning it to a video, right? So let's wait for it. Okay, so we have the video version of it, and you can see right here it is already playing. And this is a cool one. This is the first one I want to go for. All right, so if you click on this, then this is going to simply open, and you can as well go ahead and play it. Okay, you can see it has the sound. Okay, for us to get a consistent character, there are things you need to do. All right, but before we do that, we're going to simply go ahead and add the second prompt, the second image prompt, to know if it is going to simply give us this exact character again. All right, so if it doesn't give us the exact character, then we're going to simply go ahead and do away with it. Okay, but first of all, go ahead and download this, save it on your device. Okay, it has been saved. The next thing we're going to do right now, and copy the second prompt. Go back here for the second image, just copy this. Okay, then come back here, paste it here, send it. Let's check out the clothes. These clothes, brown hair. This clothes, brown hair. This one seems cool. I like this one. And so let's go ahead and make it a video. So this is what we have here right now. Okay, wow, I love this. So go ahead and click on it, go ahead and download it. If peradventure you are trying to create something like this and your own, you didn't see anything that matches with your first scene to make it a consistent character, all you need to do is simply click on that particular video. When you click on any video, just go ahead and play it. When you play it, just like this one right here, then go ahead and copy the video frame. Okay, so this is the video frame. All right, when you copy the video frame, and it should be saved as copied. All right, so when you copy that, you can paste it right here. When you paste it, then go ahead and copy the second image prompt, so that whatever it is generating for you right now will be this exact stuff right here, which is this image that we copied. Okay, then you have to simply add a prompt right here. Okay, so go back here and copy the scene 3, so that it will be that same character without changing it again. All right, just go back here, paste it here. All right, and click on this send button. All right, so this is what we have here. This is another one, and this is the exact person right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and download it right now. It has been downloaded. Then you can play it from here. Okay, so it's a cool one. Then the next thing we have to do right now is simply go ahead and add the next scene. Okay, just fall back to this image section. We want to be using the same character for this. Okay, just highlight everything that is here, remove it, then go back to the next scene, which is scene 4. That is scene 4. Come back here, paste it here. Make sure you select the image instead of the video. Select the image, which is our reference image right here, so that it will give us a consistent character as this one right here. Okay, then click on this send button. Okay, so the image has been generated. You can see right here it has been generated already. Then save it on our device. Saved already. Then you know the vibe. You have to simply fall back here. Remember, all of these things are just the same character. You can see it is just the same person, and it's giving us consistent character. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually get your consistent characters. Go ahead and pause this, then fall back to this image section. Remember, this is the reference image here. Then go for scene 5. All right, so you're gonna simply do everything for scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8 till 9. All right, so I'm gonna simply complete all of them with this very strategy. this is the last scene, which is the scene 9 right here, which I just copied and did. I've already downloaded all of them. The next thing you need to do right now is to generate audio narration for this story. All right, remember this story visuals has been generated. We need audio. Okay, for you to generate your audio, go back here. You have to simply scroll up a little bit. You can see right here, this is the story that ChatGPT gave us. All right, and we're going to simply copy the story just like this. When you copy this, we go to a realistic AI audio generator. Okay, so we're going to simply be using Google right now. Remember, this is 100% free of charge. We're not going to be paying anything. So if you want to pay something, just go ahead and use any other one you want. Okay, but for me, I'm going to simply utilize Google AI Studio. Just head over to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. AI Studio. All right, scroll down a little bit from there, and you're going to simply see speech generator. Okay, generate speech. So click on this one right here, and you're going to simply see this double section. Autosave is enabled. You got it. All right, so I'm going to simply select single speaker here. Then when you select that, select your voice. All right, this, then after selecting that, paste the script right here. Okay, click on this button here. You can see send button. After generating the audio, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and merge it with your editing app. Okay, merge the video with your audio and do some editing. All right, so I'm going to simply do that on my mobile phone. All right, and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Okay, so I'm going to simply use my mobile phone to edit this.
Thunder rolls across. Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring. Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring, heart pounding. A ghostly whisper. A ghostly whisper cuts. Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring, heart pounding. A ghostly whisper cuts through the mist. Return what was stolen. She spins. She spins around. She spins around. No one's there. Her torch flickers, revealing glowing eyes watching from the darkness. Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring, heart pounding. A ghostly whisper cuts through the mist. Return what was stolen. She spins around. No one's there. Her torch flickers, revealing glowing eyes watching from the darkness. A spirit wolf steps forward, its fur glimmering like moonlight. You took my arrow. I forged this myself. The wolf growls, and the ground trembles beneath her feet. The arrow in her hand glows blue, then rises on its own, speeding with wild magic. It shoots upward, tearing open a glowing rift in the clouds. Wind howls. The spirit wolf leaps into the light, and halfway through, his form begins to turn human. Merida fires another arrow and dives after him, tumbling through swirling colors of time. They crash onto a frozen battlefield. Two identical glowing arrows lie side by side in the snow. You're the one who stole it. From the future. Then how to fix it? By aiming true this time. They raise their bows together, fire into the light, and the world flashes white.